Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up a timer on your 4-liter multifunctional rice cooker. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and then what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and click on the timer. So before we click on the timer, you want to make sure that you're cooking your thing. So for example, I want to eat a mixed congee, so let's click twice, and now we're gonna set the timer. So the timer is at 3 hours. We can change to 3 hours and 15, for example. It changes every 15 minutes, so we can cook it for 5 hours or even 6, and then we just press on start. And of course, I'm going to cancel, but everything is done like this. So that's how you guys can easily do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.